Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a full face of makeup look using only Indian makeup brands. First of all, if you're not used to seeing me without my eyebrows done, then get used to it because I'm going to be here like this more often because I have an eyebrow product to try and I have eyebrows but they are very light. And the second thing is that this is the best time to support local brands and Indian brands, so I thought let's do a full face using only Indian makeup brands. So not everything is new today, but most of the things are new today and there are some things that I always wanted to try, so I'm very excited. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little so that you can see exactly what's going on. By the way guys, I've invested in some professional lighting and camera, so let me know if the quality is better. Let me know if you can see every single pore and every single pimple because that will make me happy. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to try out is this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. I don't think I have used Miss Claire ever, but I have heard about it. Mine is in the shade medium brown because dark brown was sold. I hope that this is not too light. But yeah, let's do our eyebrows first because I feel very weird without my eyebrows. Let me zoom you a little in. I feel so cool right now. So this thing comes with a pencil on one side and it also has a spoolie on the other end, so that's a great thing. I'm just going to fill in my natural shape. Look at the difference. Wow. Okay, so eyebrows are done and they don't look the same, but they never do. So it's okay, and the color of this pencil is actually not too bad. I thought it is going to be too light because it's called medium brown, but I think it's fine for my hair color, you know. The spoolie is great, it's pretty thick and good to brush out your brows. The product it's not extremely creamy or anything, but it is a like regular pencil, not too good, not bad, so I think it works, very affordable. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is prime our face, and for that I have bought this new primer from Color Bar. Now this is called Color Bar USA. The brand name is Color Bar USA, but it is an Indian makeup brand. It is the perfect match primer. It claims to smoothen your skin, soft and smooth, and I really ran out of a primer, so I thought I'll get this one. People talk good things about this one, so let's try. Hey, you have to twist it. This is what it looks like. Has like a typical primer gel-like consistency. Oh my god, I look pink. It does make your skin soft. The packaging is also nice, looks good, and this one is a little expensive. It is for 850 rupees, but I don't know. I think Color Bar is a little expensive brand. I've never tried anything from them before, so this is good. This did make my skin soft. Okay, so the next product is exciting. It is a foundation stick from Nykaa. I bought this in the shade Natural Buff and I hope that it will match me. I have never tried a foundation stick ever in my life, so I'm excited. Okay, so I think I'm just going to draw this on my face. Okay, it does look like a good match. Maybe I should use a beauty blender to blend this out, but I'm stupid, I didn't buy a new one. My old one I threw like a long time ago and I forgot about it, but we have to make it work with some brush. Okay, so this thing doesn't have full coverage. It has light coverage, but it does make you look fresh and it's not cakey, it's not settling in any of my lines. I think I'm going to try one more layer. So this foundation stick, I don't think it has super full coverage, but it does even out your skin. So for concealer, I ran out of all of my concealers, so I needed a new one and I bought the PAC Take Cover Concealer. Again, I have heard so many good reviews about this. Mine is in the shade Creme Buff. It comes in a packaging which looks like a tube, but it has a wand applicator, so I hope that this will match me. But I feel like PAC is a really good makeup brand. They have some amazing brushes. I've never tried them, but I've heard good stuff about them. I'm also going to try and hide my imperfections with this. Okay, that concealer is really nice. I'm looking very up close to my skin and nothing looks cakey at all. And it does have good high to medium coverage. I just feel like I need a little bit more underneath my eyes, especially over here. I feel like PAC is a really nice makeup brand, and I have heard that their brushes are also really good. It has been in the market for a long time. This was the first product that I tried from them. Okay, so I do like my base. Nothing is looking cakey so far. Okay, so let's move on to powder. So to set my face, I didn't buy any new powder because I was not attracted to any of the products that I was seeing on Nykaa. So today I'm going to use the OG Pond's powder like we did bachpan se. I think this stuff is really good for baking. Thumbs up if you have also gone through this phase in your life when you only used Pond's powder on any occasion, be it shadi, be it everyday life, only this. Thumbs up. I'm just going to set. Okay, no. I feel like I look a little washed out now because of that powder, and it is like a white powder, but we'll fix that with some bronzer. So let's move on to our eyes now, and then we'll complete the face afterwards. So I'm very excited for this new eyeshadow palette that I bought from Nykaa. Now Nykaa is also a great brand. I feel like they have just saved the Indian beauty community. They have brought so many amazing makeup brands on their website or app, but their own brand is also pretty good. So I bought this palette called Beachside Peach. It is pretty new. Okay, so first impressions, this looks very tiny. So this brush gives me a throwback to when I was small, and all palettes I had brushes like this, and I don't think this is the best brush. I mean, it's good if you want to put some eyelid color, but it's not good for blending. So I wish they had one side with a blending brush. This is what the palette looks like. Today I'm going to go in with some orange and pinky shades. So let me zoom you in. I'm going to put my hair away like this. If you also have a lot of baby hair, then this is a nice trick. Just use a spoolie to put it back. So I'm going to use this orange shade in my crease with this very pretty brush from Miniso. Oh, this is very powdery. Wow, I managed to get some on my nose, and this color is very pigmented, so I'll fix that later on. Wow, I really wanted a nice orange color in my collection. That's why I bought this palette. So now I'm going to take some of this brown shade and just put it on the outer corner. Okay, so currently it's looking like a burnt orange eyeshadow look. I don't know what I was thinking with bringing it out like this, and I don't know. Okay, so let's end this by adding up this orangey shimmery shade. I'm just going to take some of this golden glitter and put it right in the center. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. It's like an orange sunset, I want to call it. And this thing is super duper pigmented, as you can see. I'm just going to do my lower lash line now, and I'll be back. Let's move on to eyeliner. I'm very excited about this. This eyeliner is by K Beauty. As you know, this is Katrina Kaif's makeup brand for Indians, so it is dedicated to Indian audience. So it can be called as an Indian makeup brand. She has a bunch of eyeliners in different colors, and I got the shade Grunge Raisin. It is a brown shade. This is what it looks like, and I've heard that brown eyeliner is really good to pop out green in your eye. I do have a little green in my eyes, and I always wanted to get a brown eyeliner. So yeah, let's try this. Oh my god, this is like a dark brown which almost looks black. Like, do you think it looks brown? Even on my hand, it just looks black now. I wanted a very nice brown, warm kind of an eyeliner, but this is almost black. Okay, so let's do our mascara. For mascara, I got this mascara from Lotus Herbal. It is called the Max Lash Waterproof and Volumizing Mascara. So the wand is super thin. I already have a dot of mascara over here, so that sucks. Okay, you can see it better on this eye. Okay, so first impression, I don't like this mascara. It is not giving me a lot of volume. It is very clumpy and dry. I don't know why, but yeah, let's try it on our lower lash lines. Such thin ones are actually really good for your lower lashes. You can get right up in there, so let's try that. Oh my god, yeah, can you see it is very clumpy? Whoa, it just created a mess over here. No, hard pass. Let's go back to our face now. Okay, so for bronzer, I bought the Sugar bronzer. It's called Contour Mini Bronzer, and I really like the packaging of Sugar product. Comes with an S. And is it just me, or does this girl totally look like Kendall Jenner? Okay, so the pan size is very small. It's very chotu, and looking at the color, actually it looks like a contour only. It doesn't look like a bronzer. But when I typed bronzer, this came up, but it's more of a contour. This thing is really good for contouring more than bronzing. It has a really nice cool taupe shade, so I think it can sculpt your face really well. So it's good as a face contour or a nose contour. Okay, so for blush, I did not buy a new blush product. I already had this by YBP. It was a collaboration they did with Shreya Jain, so I thought I'll just use this in today's video. It is a really nice product. It is super duper pigmented. You only need a tiny little dot, and then I just like to blend it out in my fingers. I'm really into liquid blushes these days. I love this one. I love the Benetint. It gives you a nice pinky flush to the cheeks, so really like that blush. And the last product of our face is a highlighter. This one also I already had in my collection. I made an entire review video of this. It's the Sugar Jelly highlighter, and it looks like this. It's like a creamy jelly consistency, and mine is in the shade Gold. If you apply too much, then it is going to look super glittery. Less is definitely more when it comes to this product. Like, look at my fingers. Super duper pigmented, and your fingers are just going to be super glittery afterwards. But it does look really pretty and almost wet, and especially when the light catches your skin. I think Sugar is a great brand. I really like their liquid lipsticks, and even the base products are good. Thumbs up to Sugar. Okay, so we are almost done. I'm really excited for my lip product. I bought lip crayons. So I've never owned a lip crayon in my life. So this one is by K Beauty, again by Katrina, and I bought this in the shade Rumor. I really wanted a brown colored lipstick because I don't know why, but I don't have a brown in my collection at all. So I bought this one. It looks like this. It just looks like a crayon. You know, my lips are a little dry. I didn't buy a lip liner actually from any brand because I don't use lip liners that much. This is what the lip crayon looks like. I have never owned a brown color like this, so I'm really excited for that. It is good. It doesn't feel drying on the lips. So. And the final thing, promise you, the last thing is a setting spray. This one is by Blue Heaven. Already had in my collection, and I actually don't like it. Blue Heaven again is a very affordable brand, but I don't know why I don't like this fixer spray at all. It doesn't spray well. It doesn't smell nice. It doesn't do anything basically. Don't try this. I feel like I liked my makeup more before I used this because this has just made my face very sticky and oily, as you can see. So no. That completes this video. This is the final look. There are so many great Indian makeup brands which are very popular and nice for a good reason. I hope you found this entertaining and helpful. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!